guys, here we are. It is Monday afternoon, almost quitting time. Nice balmy day today, and you can see they're running up the putting those buckles on the columns there, running those up to be higher. Those are going to be 9 feet, and we've decided in this corner over here we're also going to put a platform there, and we're going to put a water tank up on top so we have water all the time. Even when we lose our power, we'll have the well water pumped up there. I don't know what's going on here. Well, what is that, sweetie? Oh, a Master Deluxe dish drainer. Look at that, guys. My wife goes grocery shopping and comes back with all sorts of stuff. I don't know about all this. Oh, and there. Steph don't like to be teased. He don't like the other day. The guys are working up there. Andy's down here catching anything that they need. He grabs it and runs it up there to them. And there we are. Arnell's got two of them formed up right there. So those are going to be kind of the height of the columns up on the top up there. Let's see if we can get up there and get a shot of that. Oh yeah, so we got lots of wood lumber up here. We got the forms on two of these here. We'll be pouring later this week, I think, although we might have to lay out some beams where we're going to put that platform for the water tank, so that may add a couple days to the getting ready part of it. That's there. There's Luke over there with the goats. Alright guys, Fast Eddie here. Tuesday morning, and got a couple things going on. We got to work on our water line here. We had to replace the pump the other day. When I was out sick, we had a little power outage, and I guess we drained the water and the pump just kept running. They couldn't, it wasn't getting any suction here, and it actually burned the pump out. So while I was out of it, they came and replaced the water pump. But then yesterday we had the same problem. My brother-in-law backed the truck out of here, and all of a sudden the pump just started sucking air again. And so just driving over this line here at a certain angle here or whatever, it'll just cause the pump to suck air. So they're going to try to put some cement in here and if we can't solve the problem, I'm going to probably stop driving over it. I got the truck parked out on the other lot over there, and we may just start parking it right over in here inside the gate every day and then just moving it out. It's just too much of a hassle to keep changing things up. And once we finish the house, I don't think we'll be driving back down this way anymore, so I'm not quite sure why they decided to dig the well right there, but they did, so that's where we are with that. And we got our new pump over here. From over here, we are now going to put up a tank too, we decided, so that's somewhere in a few weeks down the road. Joshua finishes making all these buckles, we can put some new columns up. There's our new pump in there, new water pump, and that's the only pressure tank we have is right there. So, all right, we're going to make some improvements here on the water pipe. We're going to cement this whole thing together, I guess. This off. Making up a batch of cement here. Bringing the gravel in that was bagged up many moons ago. Okay. Joshua knows how many bags are there. He counts them every day. Make sure no one steals our gravel, right? Alright, guys, I've got the cement mixer fired up after a 3-week hiatus. Looks like they cemented the line leading the well in. Rigged up a couple pulleys, trained here, so they can start pouring the column. And just like that, they got the one column full. Alright guys, Tuesday evening, crew just left, and we got 5 columns poured today up here, and so that's a pretty good start on this. So a couple more days, we're out of cement, and we're almost got a few bags of gravel, a few bags of sand left, but we are out of cement. So it's supposed to be delivered tomorrow. So they'll probably start forming up a few more columns tomorrow. I think we got enough plywood for that and everything. And let those sit for 24 hours, and then they can pour a few more and just kind of rotate through here. And our plan is right here with these 4 columns here in this back corner, is we are going to kind of right where the staircase is right down there, we're going to put a platform up here on top and put a water tank up here. We need a water supply. It's just kind of the way it needs to work. I mean, it's, you know, technically I guess if we had our solar hooked up and we had power 24/7 with the solar, we really wouldn't need a water tank because we got the well. But like I mentioned, we burned a pump up just simply because we didn't have any power going to it, and then we drained the little pressure tank and it wouldn't get suction, so the tank burned up. And anyway, so we're going to put a tank up here, that way we always have water. 1,500 gallons or so, 500 gallons, I don't know how big we're going to go, but figure that out. And I might even put another tank on the other side of the fence that we feed with rainwater, so we can water the trees out there, water the goats. Not that goats really need any water, but that's something I'm thinking about. But yeah, so I'm gonna walk along here, and yeah, and it wasn't designed for 6 feet tall people, obviously, but get on up here and take a look at a couple of these columns, see what we got done. Okay. Alright. Yeah. I got that one column right there. This one up here. I don't know if I got this one over here done or not. Yeah, they got that one there. Yeah. Getting a little electrical work done, having a couple outlets added out here where our simple living area is becoming much more complex. Coffee makers, microwave, rice cookers. So we're having to add a little power to the duplex, or our little Nipa hut here now. So Junior's here doing that, our electrician, taking care of business. Like we're one step forward. So who said it? Alright guys, here we are, Wednesday morning, overcast, a little drizzly. Crew's working away. this is what we got going on here. Out here in the goat land, my wife just fed the goats. Cecil just fed them some malunggay plant that we cut down. They love their malunggay. So they're having a big breakfast here. The guys are chipping away. Tie into the rebar there. They got a chip out there. We're going to put the walls up, I suppose. There's what the plan is. Yeah, so every 3 feet up, they tie each chip out so they get into the rebar there, and have a tie. There'll be a bar coming across that they tie in through there. There we go. Got the demo hammer out to put some columns in there. And we got a little bit more there. Moving lots of dirt around here so they can start getting the walls up. There's that. This is our sand and gravel supply right now. We are pretty much out. It was ordered today. Improved our water line here. So you just drive over a piece of plywood. And I threw this together last night so we can drive over it, keep the tires. What happens is the pipe right there, that's the down pipe into the actual well. It gets pushed down and all, it like picks up dirt. And it just sucks dirt, or in this case the fitting here kind of just loosened up and was sucking air last time. So this critter just had a little rack over coconut lumber here. People from driving over it, hopefully. Got to be a little more careful. I get pretty close to the wall when I back out, so I miss it, but other people, they don't seem to remember that, so anyways, it happens. So we'll put some plywood over the thing there too, and the crew's working away. Alright guys, Wednesday afternoon, and they are working on kind of digging out and jackhammering, and these are where the interior walls are going to be. You can kind of see they kind of chisel out into the columns, and then they actually tie it into the rebar that's in the column there. And that'll be where your hollow block walls are going to be, over here. And you can kind of put an L bend on the rebar and tie it into a couple of places there. Give it some strength there. And then force them in. And then start up with the hollow block wall. This obviously is the first story here, the first floor. That down to the cement there, and where the pillar originally was. Do the same thing there. Trying not to get in the way here. So dig all this out. And we got a load of gravel and sand today. And now we just need to get our cement. We can get back up to the columns up there.